Yes, man.
Alright, 3 pencil, 1 pen, and my ID. I'm sharp now. Jesus Christ, man, if you sharp, I feel now. As the songwriter says, it's me again, Jah. For thy peace I see when Moses chop out, would feel no way if you drop on the paper, yeah. Alright, so my name again. Right, me can't remember my name. That'll be C for that, yeah. Alright, C again. C again. Alright, something right here, so 3C1 place. Something fail. The invigilator, the body fat. I'm gonna drop my pencil on purpose so she can come. Oops! Done the night again. Done Google. Did the time again. Oh, me should put this on the paper, brother. I never study it. Just ease up your hand again. Let me see the answer for 24. She feel like a big man. Big man thing, dog. Oh, me should put this on the paper, brother. Yo, me cuss bad one in a man. Invigilator preview. Alright, go like you think hard. Yeah, man. Go like you think hard. Lick your pencil by your head so you look like you think, isn't it? Then do the you get it. But like you're right. I don't know when I write it, I don't know, I don't get it. Try to remember, don't lose your temper. Shit, can't remember nothing. Bumbo, pussy, ras, fuck, shit. Oh, I'm done with this, We're done with this. Now come out of this ras.